Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 4E youth programs. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 4E youth program. Here is the project description. In this project, you will create and modify a pivot table report and a pivot chart report in order to analyze revenue from the city youth program. Here is the project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, open the downloaded Excel file workbook named Student Excel 4E Youth Program. In this question, you will have to download the Excel file from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is the file I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is click cell A2, insert the recommended pivot table, sum of amount by location, rearrange the field so that the location is the first field in the rows area and month is the second field. Place the program field in the columns area. Close the pivot table fields pane. In this question, you will have to insert the recommended pivot table. First, we select this data. Then go to the insert tab and click on recommended pivot tables and sum of amount by location, this table, and rearrange the field so that the location is the first field. Click on this. And the month is the second field. Place the program field in the column area. Close the pivot table fields pane. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grades in all your courses and all your assessments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is insert two slicer, one for the location field and one for the program field. In this question you will have to insert two slicers, first one for location field and the second one for program field. When we select any location, the chart data are changed according to this location and program. To go to the pivot table analyzer, then click on slicer. You will have to add slicer based on location and program. Check these two boxes. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is using the location and program slicer, filter the data to show the total revenue for the preschool in the Groove Beach Recreation Center. Move the program slicer so that the top left corner is positioned in cell E3. Move the location slicer so that it is positioned below the program slicer in column E. Using these two filters, you will have to filter the data to show the total revenue for the preschool in Groove Beach Recreation Center. Then click on this location, Groove Beach Recreation, to filter the data based on this. Let me select this. As you can see that the data are filtered now based on this location, Groove Beach Recreation Center. And then move this slicer to cell E2. In cell E3, sorry, move the location slicer to question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is modify the value field settings in the pivot table so that the values are formatted as numbers with 0 decimal places and a thousand separator. In this question you will have to modify the value field setting and set the 0 decimal places and a thousand separator. And go to this setting. Then click on the number format tab. Click on number and select the 0 decimal places and check the 1000 separator. Then also you will have to check this box, use the 1000 separator. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is make a copy of the sheet 1 worksheet. Rename the copied worksheet to Group 1Q Preschool. Then rename the sheet 1 worksheet to 1Q Revenue. First you will have to make a copy of this sheet. Then right click on this. Sheet 1, then copy this sheet and rename the sheet to the new sheet name is Group IQ Preschool. Right click on this and click on rename and set the updated name of this sheet and also rename the sheet 1 worksheet to 1Q Revenue. Then move to the workbook. Then rename this sheet to 1Q Revenue. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is on the IQ revenue worksheet, clear all filters and remove the slicer in cell A1, type first quarter youth program revenue. Move to the workbook. First you will have to clear the all filters and remove the slicers. In cell A1, type this title, first quarter youth program revenue. First you will have to remove the filter. In this question, first you will have to clear the all filters and then remove the slicer. Click on this and remove all filters, clear filters, and then remove the slicer setting. In cell A1, you will have to type first quarter youth program revenue. This one, copy and paste this title Question number 7 are completed. We have now completed 7 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, and many more online courses. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Stats, MyLab Mathematics, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.